be going through the solution for the Diamond Plus. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. The main goal of this puzzle is to get this wee little diamond into this bigger diamond with all the pieces already in there. I really like how it doesn't look like there's really much room at all. It's a really good illusion. So, to begin, we will dump out the frame. So we have just this big pile of pieces now. And our little diamond. So, to begin with, we will place our little diamond just in the corner. Now, to clarify, we actually have a lot of symmetry going on here. We got almost all the pieces have a double. The only one that doesn't are these the little diamond and the big diamond. All the triangles are the same, these pieces are the same. They're all the same. So we will start off with these two. And we will place them like so. Then from here, we will take these two. We will make a Star Trek logo. We'll take these two. And we kind of make a star. Oh, fancy. We'll place our diamond right here. And then you can see where these two go. Oh, put it in right. There we go. And there's the solution. It's actually kind of funny, you still have actually a fair amount of space between the pieces. So it's not even like this one eats up that much. Don't mind my farting noises, just getting around my own lips. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.